This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Gel for beginners. Start with clean, dry nails. Gently push back your cuticles and lightly buff the nail surface to create a smooth canvas. This helps the Builder Gel adhere properly. Next, apply a dehydrator to remove any oils, followed by a thin layer of primer. These steps are crucial for preventing lifting and ensuring your manicure lasts for weeks. Remember, good preparation is key to a beautiful and durable Builder Gel application. After your primer, apply a very thin, even layer of Builder Gel base coat to each nail, avoiding the cuticles. Cure this layer under your UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now, for the Builder Gel itself, place a small bead near the cuticle and gently float it towards the free edge, creating an apex for strength. Ensure even coverage and then cure this layer for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. Once the Builder Gel is cured, you'll notice a sticky layer. Wipe this off with an alcohol-soaked lint-free wipe. Now it's time to shape. Use a nail file to refine the length and shape, focusing on creating a smooth, natural curve. If there are any bumps or uneven areas, gently buff them out with a fine grit buffer. This step is essential for a professional-looking finish and ensures your nails are perfectly sculpted. To complete your Builder Gel manicure, apply a thin, even layer of no-wipe top coat over the entire nail. This adds a beautiful, long-lasting shine and seals everything in. Cure the top coat under your UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. For aftercare, remember to moisturize your cuticles daily with a good quality nail oil. This keeps your nails and surrounding skin healthy, extending the life and beauty of your Builder Gel set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.